Today, InspirAsianPI, the Asian American Employee Resource Group within Oncor, hosted a potluck lunch as well as a gift drive for the benefit of SafeHaven of Tarrant County.
The gifts are going to benefit SafeHaven. It's an organization that is meant to help women and children who are escaping abusive situations.
And we thought it a good opportunity to be able to give back to the community. So we partnered with Oncor Cares Community Group, where they were doing a gift drive for the benefit of SafeHaven of Tarrant County.
I feel it's a blessing and a great opportunity for me to make a difference.
I got involved with the InspirAsianPI ERG because I really wanted to build a community within the workplace.
It's a great opportunity for us to promote Asian culture. There are 48 different countries, different languages, different holidays.
My parents, my mom's side of the family immigrated here from Cambodia. I love sharing the food, sharing the culture, sharing the stories.
InspirAsianPI, as an Asian American Employee Resource Group, welcomes Asian Americans, allies, and you do not have to be Asian to be able to be part of the ERG.
The more we understand each other, the better we work together as a team.
This drive was from InspirAsianPI for Woodall Rogers, and there was also an alternative gift drive over at 77 Main.
With the holidays coming up, we're trying for food, clothes, gifts, specifically things that would benefit women and mothers.
Anything really that's essential for these families to be able to have a great holiday and to be able to celebrate and spend time within their own safe space and safe circle.
These women and children that left with often just what they could carry and just trying to start over.
Oncor cares!